With so many good cast iron skillets on the market, narrowing down the top picks can be a challenge. Luckily, I've done the research for you by using my culinary experience to select the best cast iron skillets that money can buy. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the current prices for each of the skillets. This American-made classic from Lodge has earned its reputation as a kitchen essential for good reason. Coming pre-seasoned with Lodge's vegetable oil formula, you can start cooking immediately without the hassle of seasoning it yourself. The natural seasoning improves with each use, gradually building up a non-stick surface that rivals modern coatings without any synthetic chemicals. Heat distribution remains one of this skillet's strongest features. While it takes a bit longer to warm up compared to aluminum or stainless steel pans, once hot, it maintains consistent temperature across the entire cooking surface. This makes it perfect for achieving an even sear on steaks or perfectly crispy edges on cornbread. Versatility defines the Lodge skillet experience. Morning pancakes, lunchtime grilled cheese, or dinner's pan-roasted chicken all cook beautifully in this 10.25-inch workhorse. The signature teardrop handle provides a secure grip, while the helper handle on the opposite side makes transferring a full skillet much easier. Two pour spouts allow for clean draining of excess fat or transferring sauces. Maintenance might seem intimidating at first, but the simple routine becomes second nature. After cooking, just scrub with hot water and a bit of mild soap if necessary. Dry thoroughly and apply a light coating of oil. This basic care ensures your Lodge skillet will last for generations, literally. Many families pass these durable pans down as heirlooms. At its price point, you'll struggle to find a more versatile and long-lasting cooking tool. While I do think there are better cast iron skillets on the market these days, Lodge is definitely the best budget cast iron skillet brand out there, in my opinion. Moving on, if you're looking for the best enameled cast iron skillet, then this elegant Caraway 10.5-inch skillet combines the best of both worlds with its 3-layer enamel coating over traditional cast iron. You'll appreciate how this coating creates a naturally non-stick surface while maintaining the exceptional heat retention and distribution that cast iron is famous for. Heat versatility is a standout feature with this pan. You can seamlessly move from stovetop to oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit without worry. This makes it perfect for starting a frittata on the stove and finishing it in the oven, or searing a steak before completing it at high temperature. The skillet works flawlessly across all cooktop types, including induction, gas, and electric. Cleanup couldn't be simpler with this enameled cast iron. Unlike traditional cast iron that requires special care, you can wash this skillet with mild soap and water using a non-abrasive sponge. No need for the elaborate cleaning rituals that sometimes accompany regular cast iron cookware. The smooth enamel interior resists sticking when properly preheated and lightly oiled. Health-conscious cooks will value that Caraway crafts this skillet without harmful chemicals. Your cooking experience remains pure, without worrying about chemicals leaching into foods, which is especially important when preparing acidic dishes that might react with traditional cast iron. The 10.5-inch diameter offers the sweet spot for versatility in the kitchen. You'll find it perfect for everything from searing a couple of steaks to making a batch of cornbread or frying several eggs at once. While it carries the typical heft of cast iron at 5.8 pounds, the slightly raised sides and thoughtful design make it manageable for everyday cooking tasks while still providing the cooking benefits that only cast iron can deliver. Next up on my best cast iron skillet list, we have the Lancaster No. 10 skillet, which brings back the craftsmanship of vintage cast iron with its machined cooking surface, reminiscent of classic Griswold and Wagner pans. You'll appreciate how this smooth finish creates a naturally non-stick cooking experience that improves with use. Standing apart from mass-produced options, this heirloom quality piece is entirely American-made from casting to pre-seasoning. What makes this skillet particularly user-friendly is its thoughtfully engineered weight. At just 6 pounds, it's noticeably lighter than many competitors while still providing excellent heat retention. You can easily maneuver it around your kitchen, and the convenient helper handle provides additional support when moving heavier dishes. The traditional pour spouts on either side make transferring sauces or draining excess fat clean and simple. Measuring 11 5/8 inches in diameter with a 2 1/8 inch depth, this Pennsylvania crafted cast iron skillet provides ample cooking space for family meals. The pan arrives pre-seasoned and ready for immediate use, eliminating the intimidating initial seasoning process that deters many from cast iron. Its versatility allows you to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven, making it perfect for recipes requiring finishing under the broiler. Lancaster's commitment to quality is evident in every detail of this skillet. The classic ergonomic handle stays relatively cool on the stovetop, while the helper handle proves invaluable when transferring the pan to the oven. When cared for properly, this pan won't just last years. It will become a treasured family heirloom passed through generations. Compatibility across virtually all cooking surfaces adds tremendous value to this investment piece. Whether you're cooking on gas, electric, induction, or even over a campfire, the number 10 performs consistently well. Checking in at number 2 on my best cast iron pan review is this American-made cast iron skillet from Stargazer, which delivers exceptional performance with its smooth cooking surface and thoughtful design features that make it worth the investment. The Stargazer's polished cooking surface immediately sets it apart from traditional rough cast skillets. You'll appreciate how this smooth finish minimizes food sticking, making everything from cornbread to fried eggs release more easily. The thoughtful surface treatment means less wrestling with stubborn foods and simpler cleanup after your cooking adventures. Heat distribution is remarkably even across the 12-inch cooking surface. When you preheat properly, the Stargazer maintains a consistent temperature throughout, eliminating hot spots that can ruin delicate dishes. The 3.4 quart capacity provides ample space for family-sized meals, while the exceptional heat retention keeps food warm longer at the table. What makes cooking with this skillet particularly comfortable is the innovative handle design. Unlike conventional cast iron, where handles become scorching hot, Stargazer's Stay Cool design remains manageable during stovetop use. This practical feature lets you maneuver the pan more confidently without constantly reaching for a pot holder. The flared rim design deserves special mention for its drip-free pouring. You can pour sauces, drippings, or excess oil from any angle without the messy drips that typically run down the sides of standard skillets. This small but significant detail shows the thoughtfulness behind every aspect of the Stargazer's design. Built for generations of use, this skillet comes with an impressive lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects. For those willing to properly maintain and season their cookware, the Stargazer represents an heirloom quality piece that will develop its own unique character over years of cooking. So, what is the best cast iron skillet brand on the market? Well, there are definitely a few good options, but overall, I'd say that the best cast iron skillet award goes to FINEX cast iron. FINEX has reimagined the classic skillet with thoughtful modern touches. The octagonal shape isn't just for looks, it gives you 8 pour spouts to work with, making it easier to drain off excess oil or pour sauces without dripping. The machine-polished cooking surface comes pre-seasoned with organic flaxseed oil, creating a naturally non-stick finish that only improves with use. What really sets this pan apart is the innovative spring handle. Wound from stainless steel, it dissipates heat quickly, so you can comfortably move the pan without constantly reaching for a pot holder. The thick walled construction distributes heat evenly and retains it exceptionally well, perfect for achieving a restaurant-quality sear on steaks or maintaining a consistent temperature for delicate dishes. You'll appreciate the versatility this skillet brings to your kitchen arsenal. It works beautifully on all cooktops, including induction, and transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven. The USA craftsmanship is immediately apparent in the smooth finish and precise casting. This is genuinely a pan designed to become a family heirloom. Maintenance is straightforward compared to rougher cast iron options. The polished cooking surface resists food sticking and makes cleanup easier. Hand washing is required, but the smooth finish means you won't spend ages scrubbing stuck-on food. The pre-seasoning gives you a head start, though, like all cast iron, it will develop an increasingly non-stick patina over time. While the price point places this skillet firmly in the premium category, you're supporting true American craftsmanship while investing in exceptional quality that will last generations with proper care. The FINEX combines the best aspects of vintage cast iron pans, smooth cooking surface, superior craftsmanship, with modern innovations, quick cool handle, octagonal design. For those who appreciate both form and function in their kitchen tools, this handcrafted beauty is the best cast iron skillet that you can get. And there you have it, the best cast iron skillets that money can buy. If you've got any more questions at all about buying a good cast iron skillet, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, if you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more videos like this one.